You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly the name of this originally German dog breed, and the name is certainly German, so we need to listen and learn from the German pronunciation. If you want to learn more dog breed names that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. German pronunciation: Rottweiler. Rottweiler. Therefore, in English, it should be pronounced as Rottweiler. Now, it's quite often pronounced English pronunciation Rottweiler. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.